everyone, we are going to see today the exercise of water security, class 10th. Unit 1, Chapter 2, Cultural Heritage of Water Wisdom. Question 1. Explain the relationship between human evolution and the Panchatattvas. Earth, water, fire, air and sky are Panchatattvas. Assuming that all living or non-living things are made up of Panchatattva, the ideal way of life emerged by following the laws of nature while respecting these 5 tattvas. In this way, a close relationship developed between Indian culture and spirituality. Question 2. Write a note on Varahamitra. Varahamitra wrote the Grantha Brihat Samhita. It gives information about soil texture, botanical studies, ant hills near trees and deals with relationship of groundwater to the behavior of animals. His study have special importance in the region of black stone. Question 3. Write a note on Parashar Muni. Parashar Muni had rewarded useful observations in his Grantha Krishi Parashar in order to forecast the rainwater required for agriculture. Also, how to block and store rainwater is written in detail in the Granth Kashyam Krishi Suktam. Question 4. Give information about ancient lake culture. Lakes are smaller in size than sarovar and larger than wells. The lake is also known as Pushkarani, Vapi, Vapika. Like rivers, lakes also have religious significance in India. The number of lakes are higher in areas where large rivers are less in number. At that time, building a lake for public use was considered virtuous according to Dharma Shastra. Lakes were built and offered for public works. Question 5. Explain the water management during the times of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. The importance of water on forts is given in this order. Letter of Shivaji Maharaj to Ramchandra Pant, Amatya, which states that even if there is no water and the place gets the construction it needs, the fort should be built by breaking the rocks. This vision reveals the broad vision of Shivraya. Question 6. Write in brief about Khandesi flood irrigation method. Flood method involved the distribution of shared water according to the availability of water to the share of land owned by different persons or families. The river water was diverted towards the field through the canal apart by building a causeway of stone. Excess water was released back into the river after it was diverted. The crop in each field was fixed. Question 7. Write information about Malguzari Lake. Malguzari lakes were built on all four sides of the village, connected to each other by canals. In the case of heavy rains, channels were made to release water in times of crisis. Care was taken to ensure that the water level did not rise and that it did not enter the village. Taxes were paid to the king for water supply. The person whom recently recovery work was handed over was called Malguzar. And the last question, question number 8, write information about Pushkarani. The pond that was constructed using the same stone obtained while digging the ground during the construction of temple is called Pushkarani. The village used Pushkarani for drinking water, for irrigating temple-owned farms, for sacred grave, etc. So students, this is exercise of lesson number 2, unit 1. Hope it will be useful for you. Please like, share and subscribe, and also give your comments. Thank you.